Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to earn on Medium. To earn on Medium, you need to join the Medium Partner Program. Now, this program allows you to earn revenue based on the engagement your articles receive from paying Medium members. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to get started with earning on Medium. The first thing you need to do is to log into your Medium account. To open medium.com and log into your account. Once you're done, click on your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen and you'll be provided with a drop down menu. From the drop down menu, select the become a media member, and the next is apply to the partner program. Now click on apply to the partner program. So Medium's partner program is for people who are interested in helping us fulfill our mission of deepening the collective wisdom of the world through personal expression, knowledge sharing, and storytelling. So once you've clicked on that, go ahead and click on apply now. So click on apply now, just follow the prompt to sign up for the Medium program, which will be displayed shortly. So now you have a welcome note that says, follow the prompts that says, thanks for your interest in joining the Medium's Partner Program. So to get started, select the country where your bank is located. And once you select the country, so let's say for me, that's going to be Nigeria, and click on next. So it says you're currently not a Medium member, so become a member and you have not published in the last 6 months, that writing. So it means you have to be a current Medium member and you need to publish in the last 6 months to be part of the Medium's Partner Program. So click on become a member so you can pay monthly being a member here, or you can just pay annually by being a friend, which is here. So follow through the prompt. Now let's say you have already become a member and you have joined the partner program. The next thing to do is to, of course, in the process of becoming a member, you would need to agree to the terms and conditions and set up a payment method through Stripe to receive your earnings. So write and publish articles. So create quality content. Start writing engaging and high quality articles that people will want to read when you have joined the partner program. The more engaging your content, the more likely it is to generate earnings. Articles that are well written, interesting, and provide value to readers tend to get more engagement. Also, articles that resonate with paying Medium members are prioritized in earning potential. When you are part of the Medium Partner Program, your articles will be eligible to earn money based on the amount of time Medium members spend reading them. Also, you can use Method Paywall. Medium's Method Paywall allows paying members to read your content, and non-paying members can read a limited number of articles each month. But once they have reached their limits, they will need to subscribe to continue reading content behind the paywall. You earn a share of the subscription fees paid by members who read your stories. Also, view your stats. Go to your profile and select Stats from the drop-down menu. This will show you how many people are reading your articles, how long they are reading for, and how much you've earned from the partner program. You can monitor the number of reads and claps your articles receive, as well as your estimated earnings from these metrics. Interactions increase exposure, so respond to comments, follow other writers, and engage with the Medium community to help grow your audience and increase the likelihood of earning. The more readers interact with your content, the higher your potential earnings. Also, have author verification. Having author verification can help you establish credibility on Medium and may make your content more appealing to readers. So to apply for author verification, you can click on your profile icon again and go to profile and then select apply for author verification from the drop-down menu. These can help you grow your audience and earn more by building trusted following. Referral programs are also a great way of making money to use publications to gain more exposure as well. Now, Medium pays out earnings through Stripe once you have accumulated at least $25. Payments are typically made on a monthly basis, so to ensure your earnings are processed, make sure your Stripe account is linked correctly and up to date. To earn on Medium, join the Medium Partner Program, write quality articles, and engage with your readers. Your earnings depend on the engagement and reading time from Medium's paying members. By writing consistently and building a loyal audience, you can increase your earnings over time. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.